This is question number 31 from the January 2016 Algebra 1 Regent. Given that a is greater than b, solve for x in terms of a and b. Now we have b times x minus 3 is greater than or equal to ax plus 7b. Now it looks like it's very unimportant that a is greater than b, but it's going to turn out to be very, very important later on when we're solving the question. So let's do it. First thing we want to do is distribute the b over the x minus 3. b times x is bx. b times negative 3 is negative 3b. bx minus 3b is greater than or equal to ax plus 7b. Now we want to bring all of the constants to one side and all of the x's with the coefficients to the other sides. A and b represent constants. They're not really variables because we're solving for x. So we're going to add 3b to both sides. bx is greater than or equal to ax plus 10b. And we're going to subtract ax from both sides. bx minus ax is greater than or equal to 10b. And then we're going to factor out the x. So we have x times b minus a is greater than or equal to 10b. Now we could divide both sides by b minus a, and we'll have x alone. So x, b minus a, and b minus a cancel out. And now let's look back at the beginning of the problem. A is greater than b. That means that when we're dividing by b minus a, we're really dividing by a negative number. Because let's just pick arbitrary values. A has to be greater than b. So let's say a is 5, then b has to be something less than that, which has to be, let's say, 3. If we're doing b minus a, we'll have 3 minus 5, which is negative 2. Whatever value for a, whatever value for b, when we subtract a from b, since b is smaller, we're going to have a negative number. So we're dividing by a negative number, and we have to switch the sign of the inequality. So x is less than or equal to 10b over b minus a, which is the correct answer to the question.